All right, so question number 6, it says in this question, use pi to be equal to 22/7. A piece of wire 61 centimeters long is bent to form a sector as shown in the diagram below. The sector of the circle OPQ has center O and radius 18. Show that the angle X is approximately 80 degrees. All right, to do that, I'm going to need to know the length of this side. Let's call it R. No, let's not call it R. I don't want to confuse it with radius. Let's call it T. I need to know the length of that side. This side is 18, and we're told that the entire perimeter is 61. So T would be equal to 61 minus 18 plus 18. This would be equal to, we get 25 centimeters. Remember, our objective is to determine X. Now, T, I probably shouldn't have called it T. There's still time to change it. I'm going to change it to L. This is L. Now, L is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. All right, this formula I think is on your formula sheet. The sector angle theta is actually X. So this is X over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times R, which is 18, is equal to 25. And our objective is to determine what is X. All right, I guess we could cancel if we want. Let's cancel some stuff. 2 into this is 180. 18 into 180 is 10. 2 into 10 is 5. 2 into this is 11. So what we end up with is up top we have 11x, and down by the bottom we have 35. And this is equal to 25 over 1. Well, I could cross multiply. All right, it's taking a little time for this thing to catch up. It's buffering. All right, so I could cross multiply here and say 11x is equal to 35 times 25. Then divide both sides by 11 to show that x is equal to 35 times 25 divided by 11. And the answer there is 79.55, which is approximately 80 degrees. We're asked to show that x is 80 degrees, and we just did that. Let's see what's coming next. Next, we are told that a cylindrical block of cheese has a radius of 12 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. The cheese is divided into equal slices. The uniform cross-section of a slice of cheese is a sector whose angle is 18 degrees as shown in the diagram below. Calculate the length of the arc, AB. Well, that's not hard. There's a formula for it. The length of arc of a sector is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. The sector angle, theta is the sector angle, which is 18 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 12. So I guess we could just work this out quickly. We could just multiply and divide, or we could do some canceling. 18 goes into this 20 times. 2 into this is 10, cancel this 2. 2 into this is 5, into this is 6. So it's 6 times 22 divided by 7. Six times 22 divided by 7. And this is, it looks like 18.9 centimeters. I could be wrong. Let me just double check. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And we're to calculate AB. This is 18 goes into this 20 times. 2 into 20 is 10. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 pi r. And 2 into 10 is 5. Oh, there's a 5. Forgot the 5. 7 times 5. So this is not correct. 5 times 7 is 35, or let's put 7 times 5. 5 times 7. So this is 6 times 22 divided by 5 times 7. And what we get is 3.77 centimeters. So this is 3.77 centimeters. II says determine the area of the curved surface A, B, C, D. So that is the curved surface. Sorry. The curved surface A, B, C, D, that would be this curved surface here. All right, to get an idea of the area to calculate the area of that curved surface, you'd have to be aware that if you flatten out that curved surface, it becomes a rectangle. If you flatten out that curved surface, it becomes a rectangle where the width here is 3.77 and the length would be 8, and this would be A, B, C, D. Now the area for rectangle, the area would be length 8 times width 3.77. So the area is 8 times 3.77, and we're getting 30.16. This is 30.16. We could say 30.2 centimeters square to 3 significant figures. Next, we're told, given that the area of AOB is, so the area of AOB, so that's that sector at the top, is 22.6 centimeters square. We're to calculate the volume of the entire block. So how many of these slices are in a block? Remember the entire block is cylindrical, and the cylinder would be 360 degrees. For the cross section is a circle. So the number of slices would be equal to 360 divided by 18. There are 20 slices. So the volume of block would be 20 AH, AH being the volume of one slice. And since there are 20 equal slices, it's going to be the volume of 1 multiplied by 20 to give you the volume of the entire block. So this would be 20 times 22.6 times the height, and the height here is 8 centimeters, so it's multiplied by 8, and so the volume is the volume of the entire block of cheese would be 3,616 centimeters cubed.